If you're buying things from overseas for your business and you're unsure when GST applies, this is exactly what we're clearing up. GST on overseas purchases is confusing, but once you know the two main rules, it actually makes sense. Here's what you'll learn: when GST is charged at checkout, when it's charged at the border, when you can claim it back, and the common mistake that causes BAS errors for small businesses. Let's get straight to it. There are two different situations with GST on overseas purchases. First one, goods under $1,000. Since 1st July 2018, many overseas suppliers charge Australian GST at checkout. If you see GST on the invoice when you buy it, that means the supplier is collecting it. Here's the important part. If GST is charged at checkout, you generally don't pay GST again at the border, and you can only claim a GST credit if you're registered for GST. The invoice clearly shows GST was charged and the purchase is for business use. Second situation, goods over $1,000. In this case, GST is usually not charged at checkout. Instead, it's collected by customs when the goods enter Australia. You'll see it on your import declaration. That's the GST amount you usually claim back on your BAS. But so here's where people get caught. Some business owners assume overseas means they can claim credits they're not entitled to. Others miss claiming GST they actually paid. Both can trigger ATO questions. Quick example, a client bought equipment from overseas across several orders. Some were under $1,000 with GST charged at checkout. Others were over $1,000 with GST paid at the border. They claimed GST on everything the same way. The ATO didn't agree, and it took time and stress to fix. So how do you apply this in your own business? Step 1. Always check the invoice. Was GST charged at checkout or not? Step 2. For imports over $1,000, keep the import declaration. That's your proof. Step 3. Only claim GST that you actually paid and can prove it's not always 10%. And don't forget, GST on overseas purchases affects cash flow. Even if you can claim it back later, you're still paying it up front. This is general advice only. Your situation may be different, so get advice specific to your business. If you're already a client, we can talk about GST on overseas purchases in your next complimentary tax time meeting, or you can book a chat with us anytime. If you want more plain English business tips like this, sign up for our free weekly business tips. The link's in the description. Once you understand the two rules, GST on overseas purchases stops being confusing. I'll see you next time.